Welcome to this tutorial on how to load existing spreadsheets in C#. How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to learn how to load existing Excel spreadsheets and CSV files into our C# application using IronXL. Ensure that you have the IronXL NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily install it via the NuGet package manager. So let's jump into the program CS file, and we'll start by importing the IronXL namespace. And make sure that your IronXL license key is set in your application. To load an existing Excel spreadsheet, supported formats include XLSX, XLS, XLSM, and XLTX. Use the workbook load method, and this loads the spreadsheet named sample.xlsx into memory. You can also load CSV files directly using workbook.loadCSV method. And this method reads the CSV file, sample.csv, and then loads its contents into a new workbook. If you have data in a dataset object and want to load it into a new workbook, create the workbook using workbook.create method, and then load the worksheets from the dataset using workbook.loadWorksheets from dataset method. Pass dataset and workbook as its arguments. That's it. This approach allows you to seamlessly integrate Excel and CSV data into your C# application, enabling powerful data manipulation and analysis capabilities. By following these steps, you can officially work with existing spreadsheets and CSV files in your C# projects using IronXL. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.